Children, we were taking up 7.4, in which we were using those results of some particular functions that we had studied, learned, and how to apply them. Okay. Now, 10th onwards also, these questions are also based on those same results, but these are not ready-made given to you in that particular form. Those forms were 1 upon x square plus minus a square, or maybe 1 upon under root of x square plus minus a square, or a square plus minus x square, that way. So all those results that we had studied, these expressions, these are quadratic, most of them quadratic with root sign or without root sign, or maybe then following are quadratic in denominator followed by linear in numerator. Okay, so first of all, question number 10 to 15, okay, in which we have numerators as constants. Particularly यहाँ पे 1 है, you can have some other constant, but it will be a scalar. So the only thing we have to deal with is when you have quadratic form in denominator. So when you have quadratic form in denominator, you are going to get this in the form either x square plus minus a square, or maybe a square minus x square form. Any one of it, depending upon what expression it is, वो automatically आएगी. But what we are aiming at is, we want a variable square plus a constant square, or maybe minus a constant square, okay, with plus minus sign, so that we can apply those results that we were talking about or we have learned. Okay, so I've done few examples, all of them are similar, and you need to do them for practice, and with the help of an example or two, I'll explain you exactly what I'm talking about here. So I have taken the 13th example because this was not ready-made in quadratic form. The first few are already in quadratic form. Okay, so with the help of these, I've done these three. The remaining first three you will do on your own on the similar line. Okay, so 13th one, children, they were given as, in the root sign you have been given these factors, which if you multiply they will come in quadratic form. Okay, so when you get this quadratic form, हम इसको, as I told you, कि x square plus minus a square, or maybe a square plus minus x square, जो भी form आए उसमें लाते हैं. So for that, completing the square, remember in class 10th also you will have done this. Okay, solving of quadratic equation by completing the square. So same technique you have to apply here. We will think of completing this square here. So we had x square, which is a perfect square. So a square की जगह x square आ गया, a आपका x हो गया. Then the product term is supposed to be 2ab. So you have to have a 2 for the identity. A is from here and b is what you have to think of to obtain this minus 3x. This minus 3x has to correspond to 2ab. So automatically this b is 3 by 2. So that this 2 and 2 gets cancelled and you end up getting again 3x, minus 3x. Okay. अब ये जो b होता है इसका square भी चाहिएगा हमें, so that we get a square minus 2ab plus b square, so that these three together becomes a minus b whole square. That is what we are aiming at. Okay, so we will add that b ka square as well as subtract it for balance of course, and that 2 constant was already there. Okay, so only this level you have to do a little bit of hard work. After this is done, then आपको सीधे result लगाना होता है, फिर कुछ नहीं होता है. Okay, so these three together have become now x minus 3 by 2 whole square, and this is 9 upon 4 minus 9 upon 4 plus 2. Constants you'll put together. 4 2s are 8, minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 is 1 by 2's whole square. क्योंकि हमारा फॉर्म वैसा ही है, एक वेरिएबल का स्क्वायर एंड कांस्टेंट का स्क्वायर होल स्क्वायर. तब हम इसमें अब वापस रिजल्ट लगा सकते हैं. सो वी नो 1 upon under root of x square minus a square's integral used to be log of x plus under root of x square minus a square. सो वो रिजल्ट हम यहाँ पे आप डायरेक्ट रिजल्ट आप लगा दोगे. सो इट विल बी लॉग ऑफ x है आपका x माइनस 3 by 2. स्केलर अगर उसमें प्लस माइनस है डजेंट मेक अ डिफरेंस, क्योंकि अगर आप सब्सटीट्यूशन में से t भी रखते हो तो इसका डेरिवेटिव dx इज इक्वल टू dt आएगा. कांस्टेंट तो वैसे ही जीरो हो जाता है, राइट. सो वी कैन डू इट स्ट्रेट अवे विदाउट शोइंग दैट सब्सटीट्यूशन ऑल्सो. वो मेंटली हमें इतना छोटा समझ में आता है. सो दिस बिकम्स इन प्लेस ऑफ t, दैट इज योर x माइनस 3 by 2, एंड देन प्लस ऑफ अंडर रूट ऑफ यही एक्सप्रेशन आता है. अब ये एक्सप्रेशन, these are changed form. This was from here, which was from here, which was from here, which was from here. Okay, तो हम उसका simplified form लिख दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे as it was given in the question. इसको अगर आप solve करते हो further, ओके आता तो यही है पूरा यहाँ पे रिजल्ट में. इसको अगर आप सॉल्व करोगे तो यू विल गेट बैक दिस बिकॉज वी हैव सिंपली बीन चेंजिंग द फॉर्म. सो हेंस योर आंसर वुड बी दिस. Getting it? Okay. Then the 14th one was, children, here dx under root of 8 minus 3x plus 3x sorry minus x square. अभी अगर स्क्वायर आपका नेगेटिव आ जाता है तो दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ. Okay, because squares can never be negative. So whenever square quantity आपको variable square negative होता है, so your one job will be to take that negative sign common and after that you will make it a perfect square. Whole square जो आप करना वही है, हमें whole square बनाना है, but this has to correspond to a square and squares are never negative, इसलिए हमने इसको बाहर रखना है. ओके आप चाहो तो पूरे को नेगेटिव कॉमन लेके ये भी -8 कर सकते थे, बट वो कांस्टेंट है तो आई हैव केप्ट इट आउटसाइड. Okay, what is important here is that square has to be positive, so you'll take out negative sign common. So I have taken out negative common from the last two. Okay, जिसमें वेरिएबल था, जिसको मुझे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनाना है. आप चाहो तो पूरा नेगेटिव यहाँ से पूरा बाहर भी रख सकते हो, इट्स योर चॉइस. फिर 8 को -8 को अंदर लेके कम्स टू द सेम, वो आपका. ओके, सो दिस इज नाउ अगेन एक्स स्क्वायर एंड -2, ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ लिख दिया था, आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. -2 into a into, so from here b is 3/2 again. So 3/2's square I've added straight away. 3 square is 9 upon 2 square is 4. So plus minus of 9/4. Okay, and then if you take these three terms together, now this is a square, this is -2ab plus b square becomes a minus b's whole square, x minus 3/2's whole square. Okay, negative of these three terms together. Abhi ye negative and negative will make the constant positive 9/4 and positive 8 was already there. So for it's a 32 plus 9, that is 41 upon 4. Isko bhi hum as whole square likhenge, so it will become under root of 41 upon 2's whole square. So this is of the form now a square under root of a square minus x square, जो आपका sin inverse का result होता है, sin inverse x upon a. Okay, so hence after this straight away by applying that result, sin inverse of x की जगह क्या था, whole of x minus 3/2 upon a was under root of 41 upon 2. अभी LCM ले लोगे यहाँ पे, so this will become 2x minus 3 and then your 2 same denominator cancels out. That's your answer. Next, children, 15th one is also the same working has to be there. The only thing is here they are variables. Okay, so you might have to concentrate a bit more rather than number. They are variables, rest will remain the same. So multiplying these binomials, you'll get a quadratic equation, x square, and maybe you can write the product plus ab later, and first minus ax minus bx minus taken common a plus b times x. अभी इसको वापस whole square बनाना है, so this corresponds to a square. This one has to be -2 into a into, so your b automatically becomes a plus b by 2. Okay, and then you need to add the square of this, also subtract the square of this, and ab constant was already there. Now these three terms together become x minus a plus b upon 2's whole square, and the remaining we can solve further. So this you can open a square plus b square plus 2ab and upon 4 हो जाएगा, whole square था. Then ये 4 यहाँ LCM ले लोगे, like terms है add करने के लिए, so this will become, and minus we can take common from both the terms. So ये negative terms आपके सब positive हो गए and ये positive वाला negative हो गया है. Okay, so in turn this becomes plus 2ab minus 4ab. Okay, I haven't written that minus sign there. Minus 4ab will give you minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab becomes a minus b's whole square. So this whole expression is actually reducing to a minus b upon 2's whole square. Okay, so this is of the form x square minus a square, जिसका result होता है log of x plus under root of this whole expression. And as I said, ये expression is actually changed form of what was given to us. So यहाँ पे I've written that shortcut rather than writing this big expression. It is to be written like that as it is given in simplified form in question. वैसा ही हम यहाँ पे लिख लेते हैं इसको. ये expression exactly same as this आता है. Okay.